Hi everyone, so today it's me again alone. I lost Ryan, I don't know where is it. Maybe next time. No! So today I'm gonna talk about the onigiri molds, and we have a lot of them. So onigiri molds, we have really cute molds for your rice balls. You know, in Japan you eat a lot of onigiri. Usually they are put in triangle shapes, and sometimes we call them also musubi. It's more like round shapes, you know, simple but really good. And you put inside or on the top some furikake, tuna, meat, cheese, whatever you want. And it works and it's really good. But to make rice ball even cuter, we have a lot of these products on Bento&co. And for example, you can make some really tiny rice ball for your kids and even babies, toddlers who are able to eat, like this rabbits shaped mold. We have some panda, of course, and everyone loves panda, but we don't eat panda rice, right? So like, why not having a panda shaped rice balls? We of course have the Halloween rice mold. And you can make like cute, frightening ghost on your rice ball with like cheese or ham or nori, the seaweed, Japanese seaweed. And we have this anpanman. Who knows anpanman? I'm not sure if this one is actually available online, but it is in our shop downstairs in Kyoto. If some of you want the anpanman, just please leave a comment and we will see what we can do for you. So for all this mold on the back, you've got you have some pictures to show you how it works. But usually you have to put some rice in the mold, in the main parts of these items. You have to press it so it takes the shape of the animals, and then you have some cutters and a small flat cutter mat, as we said, to put some ham or seaweed nori and cheese. And with the cutter you press the cutters on it and it gives you the shapes of, like, you have some small fishes, we have the eyes and mouth and nose for some of the animals here. So like, it's really easy to make. You can make that in like less than 5 minutes for sure, and you will get like something like really cute, really and quick to put in a bento box or in a plate to eat at home. Oh, and you know, we have all these cute, usually like animal-shaped rice molds, but we have this one. If you don't like animals, or if you just like want a normal onigiri, this one is really good. These are Japanese pattern. You have some sakura here. You press one of the cutters on the seaweed and you gotta cut some sakura shapes on it. So it makes your onigiri looking really nice. Okay, so thank you for watching. You know, I have like 8 or 10 rice mold in my hand. I think we have even more online. So please sure to check them out on bento&co.com. Thank you.